If I say this is a magnet, right? This is a magnetic bar. ठीक, अब ये इसका नॉर्थ पोल है और ये इसका साउथ पोल है. ठीक है. आउटसाइड मैग्नेट, magnetic field lines always travel north to south. ये तो आउटसाइड मैग्नेट, आउटसाइड मैग्नेट, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस travel from north to साउथ पोल. देखा मैंने, आउटसाइड मैग्नेट दे आर ट्रेवलिंग नॉर्थ टू साउथ, राइट. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस क्या होती हैं? व्हाट आर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस represents magnetic field lines represents magnetic field magnetic field magnetic field magnetic field around a magnet, around a magnet. ठीक, magnetic field around a magnet is represented by magnetic field lines. What is magnetic field?
Which kind?
Area around a magnet, area around a magnet in which we experience force. That is magnetic force. Magnetic force, right? So area around a magnet in which we experience force is known as magnetic field. Known as magnetic field. Magnetic field. And magnetic field is represented by magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines outside magnet they travel from north to south, or inside magnet, right? ये inside magnet, inside magnet, magnet, magnetic field lines, magnetic field lines travel south to north, south to north, right? ये हो गया। अब south to north, they are parallel to each other. They are parallel to each other, parallel to each other, and make effect of effect of each other null and void, null and void. So inside inside magnet, inside magnet, magnetic field is magnetic field is 0. Get it? Because of that, inside magnet, magnetic field is 0. Inside magnet 0 है, लेकिन आउटसाइड मैग्नेट इट इज। अब मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस जो होती हैं, तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस आर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस dense at pole, dense at pole, which shows magnetic field, strong magnetic field at poles, strong magnetic field at poles, right? So poles पे there is always strong magnetic field. Magnetic field magnetic field lines never intersect, never intersect each other. They never intersect each other. Magnetic field lines never intersect each other, right? Or this is VR. Major point which we have to keep in mind कि magnetic field lines dense at pole which shows a strong magnetic field at poles, and magnetic field lines never intersect each other, right? So this is, we have just recalled which you studied in earlier classes, right? So फिर अभी हमने पढ़ा मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। तो जब पास होता है तो मैंने मतलब when current flows around through a conductor, there is a magnetic field around मतलब arises around it, right? I told you solenoid also, solenoid is a electromagnet, right? Electromagnet में what happens कि जब आप, it is a bunch of wires, when you flow current then it acts as a magnet, otherwise it becomes non-living. It's just bunch of wires.
By a silver, we can form a permanent magnet.
By keeping steel bar inside the solenoid for longer time, in a small amount of electric current is flowing, then it retains the magnetic property and convert into permanent magnet, right? That it is. Now you have, I hope, application of this, application of magnetic, application of magnetic effect of electric current. Electric current, that is electric bell. Electric bell, right? Application of magnetic field, magnetic effect of electric current is electric bell, right? Have you seen there is a, a bell is like this, like this, like this, right? There is like this, this, this is the gong, this is gong, gong, right? There is one point, there is another point, this is, there is a armature, this is a hammer, hammer, right? And there is a screw which is attached with this, and there is a wire, right? Then what happens, then we come to, this comes to here like this, and there is U मतलब U-shaped magnetic bar, U-shaped magnet, electromagnet is like this, right? It is like this. Now current is flowing in this direction, it is coming in here, then it is, say it is coming like this, 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 and this. Yes.
वो गधा दूसरी ब्रांच में खड़ा है बेबी कहीं का दूसरी ब्रांच में खड़ा है जहाँ तुम कर रही
ये हो, ठीक है। तो अभी क्या है कि कि ये ऐसे करंट फ्लो कर रहा है, नो 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 नो, हाँ ये करंट ऐसे फ्लो कर रहा है, ये इधर आएगा, इधर आएगा, इधर आएगा, इधर आएगा, फिर इधर से आएगा, फिर इधर आएगा, फिर इधर करंट जाएगा, फिर इधर करंट जाएगा, फिर ये ऐसे होगा, ऐसे करके ये ऐसे आया, ये करंट ऐसे गया, ये करंट ऐसे आया, ये करंट ऐसे आया, राइट। अब क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे आपने ये हुआ, ये बैटरी लगाई, ये की हुई, और इसको आपने ऐसे जोड़ दिया, राइट। अब what happens, current is flowing in this direction and current is coming to in this direction, right? This is we have electric bell, simple. Now what happens when current flows, so magnetic field arises, magnetic field arises, arises, then what happens, it is attract this towards it, ये भी इसको अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करेगा, जब ये इसको अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करेगा तो इट गेट्स डिटैच्ड, जब ये डिटैच हुआ, जब 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 इसने इसको अट्रैक्ट किया तो इसने मतलब दिस हैमर हिट्स द, आप hit this hammer will hit the gong, sound generates, and when it detached, circuit breakdown, when it is detached, circuit breakdown, right? And when circuit breakdown, what happens, this lost magnetic property, what lost magnetic property, magnetic property, magnetic property. अब ये लॉस मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी हुई तो क्या हुआ, it goes back to this point, it touches the point, again circuit complete, current start flowing. Again, magnetic field generates here. It will attract this iron magnet towards it, and then the hammer hits the gong, and again is detached, and circuit breakdown, and फिर lost magnetic property. So again because this armature is attracted due to the magnetic property of this U-shaped magnet. When it lost magnetic property, it goes back. When it gets the magnetic property, it comes towards it, and when it comes towards it, circuit breakdown. When circuit breakdown, then current stops flowing, and this U-shaped magnet is lost its magnetic property. So this phenomena, right? Magnetic effect of electric current means
how magnet
means means magnet is मतलब magnetic field is developed when current is completed, when circuit is completed. When circuit break down, current stop flowing. When current stop flowing, magnetic property lost. Right? This is happening in this electric bell. This is a simple example application, right? और क्या होता है कि एक्चुअली मॉडर्न टाइम में इट इज, आप एक बार इसको स्विच को प्लग करते हो, करंट फ्लो होना चालू होता है, उसके बाद ये हैमर टक 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 कर, बिकॉज इट इज फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड में अप एंड डाउन हो रहा है ना। ये जब टच हो रहा है, जब सर्किट कंप्लीट, व्हेन सर्किट इज कंप्लीटिंग, दिस आर्मेचर इज कमिंग टुवर्ड्स इट, हैमर इज हिटिंग इट, सर्किट ब्रेक डाउन, it lost magnetic property, then it goes back to the point, and again is attached, circuit complete, again magnetic property, then it hits. So this is keep on going, right? This is, we have magnetic effect of application of magnetic effect of electric current, and this is electric bell, right? This is electric bell. Electric bell. Right? Should I rub this?
Yes.
I hope this section is over.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, what happens? On passing electric current through a conductor, in magnetic field, it experiences a force. What I said? On passing electric current through a conductor in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. How it can be? Suppose this is a stand. right? There is a pin. This is non-conductor clip, right? So what happens? We put a conductor we put a conductor this is a conductor. Hmm? Now this is a magnet north pole to south pole. So magnetic field lines will travel like this. So conductor in a magnetic field, right? Now suppose if I take a bowl of mercury. Mercury is only metal which is found in liquid state at room temperature. ठीक है? This is mercury. This is mercury. Right? So what happens? Now मेटल है मर्क्यूरी तो कंडक्टर होगा. ये कंडक्टर ऐसे गया, ये इधर आया, यहां पे स्विच और ये इससे आपने जोड़ दिया. जब करंट फ्लो करेगा तो ये ऐसे फ्लो करेगा, ऐसे फ्लो करेगा. ठीक है? दिस इज in a magnetic field. This is magnetic field. On passing current through on passing electric current through a conductor in a magnetic field. ये कंडक्टर जो है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में है and we are passing current. When you pass the current, what happens? This conductor will come out. Right? It comes out. Why? It comes out because of the phenomenon. Because of a force. This is because of force. Force is known as Lorentz force. Lorentz force, and F is equal to IBL, where I is amount of current, B is magnetic field, and L is length of conductor. Length of conductor. Right? So because of passing electric current through a conductor in magnetic field, it experiences a force. Right? On passing electric current through a conductor in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. Right? That is F. F is equal to IBL. It is not in your syllabus right now in class 10th. You are not to go in deep in this. Just to understand. This is known as Lorentz force. Right. Now its application is for electric motor. What? Electric motor. Electric motor, what it does? Electric motor converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. Mechanical energy. Take this application, this phenomena is used in
Electric motor.
electric motor. Electric motor is electrical energy converted into mechanical energy. Phenomena किस पे based है? On passing electric current through a conductor in a magnetic field, it experience a force. ठीक है? Okay. To find out the direction of force, to find the direction of force, to find direction of force, direction of force, we have Fleming's left hand rule. Fleming's left hand rule. Right? What is it? Should I write this?
Yes.
Fleming left hand thumb rule is saying like that. This is our left hand. This is my left hand. Right? So what happens? This forefinger is representing to magnetic field. Right? And
Thumb direction.
magnetic field, right? So, and this middle finger is showing direction of electric current. This thumb is representing to direction of force, right? So what we can do like this, Fleming's left hand rule mein, this is forefinger, this is middle finger, बाकियों को आप भूल जाओ, and this is, we have thumb. This is thumb. This is forefinger. And this is middle finger. Right? You can say in rough diagram, you can understand it like this. This is thumb. This is forefinger. And this is middle finger. So forefinger is representing to magnetic field. Magnetic field. Middle finger, direction of electric current. Electric current. So this thumb represents to direction of force. Direction of force. You get that? This is how we have.
Left.
This is left hand, right? This is my middle finger. Sorry, forefinger. This is representing to magnetic field. This is this is middle finger. This is current, and this is showing force. Thumb is direction of force. So when current is flowing in this direction, in this direction, then force is in downwards, right? When current is flowing in this direction, then force in upwards. Direction of magnetic field is same, right? So this is, we have Fleming's left hand thumb rule, and electric motor. We work on that. Electric motor works on this principle, right? Now this is North Pole. This is South Pole. You put a coil here. You put a coil here. This coil is attached, and there is an axle, right, attached to it, and they comes like here. There are split rings. These are split rings, right? These are carbon bushes over which they slide, and this is the this. Now get it? Now magnetic field direction is what? Magnetic field is north to south, right? So what in this, अगर इसको मैं कहूँ A, B, C and D, so in arm AB what happens, right? This is magnetic field. Current is flowing like this. So this is current flowing. Current is flowing in this direction. Magnetic field is in this direction. Then force will be in downwards. तो force जो है वो आपका downwards लग रहा है. It's below the, like this. Force is in this direction, in this arm AB. If you come to this, then what happens? Magnetic field is same. Current is flowing in this direction and force is in upward direction. So force is in arm CD, force is in upward direction. So one side force downward direction, one side force upward direction. What happens? This split ring shift and get attached with it. And this split ring get attached with it. Then what happens? Direction of current change हो जाएगा. अब जब ये इससे जाके अटैच हो जाएगी तो अब करंट इधर से फ्लो करेगा. तो अब नीचे की, इसमें नीचे मतलब डाउनवर्ड फोर्स लगेगा और इसमें करंट इधर से आ रहा है तो ये अपवर्ड फोर्स लगेगा. तो अब वो अल्टरनेटली चेंज होता रहता है. तो जिससे कि ये इस इलेक्ट्रिक करंट से बाय on passing electric current through a conductor in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. ये force जो होता है, ये force twist करता रहता है, right? And because of that, this axle moves. When axle moves, then what happens? When axle moves, then fan moves. So electrical energy converted into mechanical energy. This is the application of this, and it occurs in electric motor. I hope you understand what I said. I make this one diagram in your book there, but you try to understand what happens. This split ring comes and attach with it. When it attach with it, split ring, तो इसमें तो करंट अब क्या होगा, और ये स्प्लिट रिंग इससे आगे अटैच हो गई तो अब करंट इससे पास होने लगेगा और इससे वापस आएगा, है ना?
फोर्स जो है वो चेंज हो जाएगा.
डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स चेंज हो जाएगा डेफिनेटली. डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स इज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द मतलब मैग्नेटिक फील्ड
एंड करंट,
मतलब डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. आपने इसकी आर्म को बदल दिया तो अब करंट इससे चलने लगा ना. जब करंट इससे चलने लगा तो अब इसमें फोर्स नीचे की तरफ लगेगा और इसमें आ रहा है, मतलब इसमें अब इसमें ये वाली कंडीशन है तो फोर्स इसमें नीचे की तरफ लग रहा है, इसमें फोर्स ऊपर की तरफ, इसमें फोर्स ऊपर की तरफ लग रहा है. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड सेम है, करंट अब इधर की तरफ जा रहा है तो उससे क्या होगा, मतलब like that, right? So current is flowing in this direction, force is in upward direction. तो वो चेंज रोटेट होता रहता है. तो मोटर उस पे काम करता है और मैकेनिकल, ये इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी कन्वर्ट्स इनटू मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. ये एक्सेल मूव करता है. जब एक्सेल मूव करता है तो इससे लगी जो भी चीज होगी दैट विल आल्सो मूव. दिस फैन इज मूविंग बिकॉज ऑफ दिस axle. This electrical energy converts into mechanical energy. Why? Because on passing electric current through a conductor in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. We are using this split rings here. Split rings which allow to change. They are over the carbon bushes. कार्बन बुशेस के ऊपर ये स्लिप करती हैं तो ये इससे अटैच होती है, फिर मतलब इट विल कम टू अटैच दिस विल कम एंड अटैच विद दिस इज कीप ऑन गोइंग यू नो. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज हैपनिंग. दिस इज व्हाट इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर.
flowing of current and direction of force in electric motor.
Huh? Motor is a device which convert electric energy into mechanical energy, and based on the principle that on passing electric current through a conductor in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. On this principle, it converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. I hope you get this much. Huh?